how to recover deleted Instagram posts from years ago. If you deleted many posts years ago, now normally within 30 days you can restore it, right? So if you happen to delete something, within 30 days you can restore it by coming to the three lines from the top right hand side of your profile page, going to your activity and going to recently deleted and then finding that out. But for years ago, you'll not be able to go ahead and then restore them. Now, however, if you archived a post instead of deleting it, then you can come to the archive section instead. And from storage archive, you can switch to post archive and you will see all of the posts that you've archived it, no matter how old it is. You can say this was in 2021 and this is 2025. So if you archived instead of deleting it, you can always choose to show it back on your profile. But if you deleted it, you cannot recover it. Now, even if you request Instagram to download your data, because I saw many people doing that, it will not show you the post for something that you've already deleted, because Instagram will only send you the data for the current status of your account based on the current status, but it will not delete something that has been permanently deleted. So I hope that this video helped you understand. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.